Hi. Welcome to the Quickworks YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how notifications are managed through the admin panel of Quickrides, a seamless ride-hailing software by Quickworks. This feature in Quickrides allows the admin to broadcast and manage notifications effortlessly. Admin has the access to set the notifications for all users or send it to particular users by searching for them in the search box, hence making it a user-specific notification, or they can send the notification to all the users by clicking on Send to All Users option. To send a new notification, the admin is required to add a notification title and message. After filling in the required details, the admin can choose selective users, or they can send this broadcast message to all the users. Select the desired number of users and click on the Send Notification button. The admin can also view the history of all the broadcasted notifications that were sent in the past from here. This video completes the notifications feature of Quickrides admin panel. To know more about Quickrides, refer to our website given in the description box below.